The Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Max 5G is expected to be released on April 1, 2022. The phone will be available in a variety of colors. Xiaomi's Redmi Note 12 Pro Max 5G is the company's most recent smartphone in the Redmi Note 12 series. Let's get into the details of the specification. This smartphone sports a Full HD Plus resolution 6.67-inch AMOLED display. The display features a 20:9 aspect ratio and a pixel density of 403 ppi. The selfie camera is also housed in a punch hole cutout on the display. The smartphone's power and volume buttons are located on the right side. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Max 5G smartphone is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 778G SoC processor. This smartphone is powered by the Adreno 642L GPU. The phone has a 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage capacity. This phone is running on Android 12 operating system with MIUI 13 as installed out of the box. This latest Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 series handset includes a quad camera configuration on the back for optical purposes. This has a 108 megapixels main camera, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, a 5 megapixels macro sensor with a f2.4 aperture, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor with a f2.4 aperture. The smartphone has a selfie camera with a resolution of 32 megapixels. The phone has a battery capacity of 5,200 mAh with 67-watt fast charging support. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Max 5G also sports a fingerprint sensor on the side and a face unlock support. Connectivity-wise, the device features like dual SIM card support, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, Wi-Fi, 4G Volt, a 3.5mm audio jack, and USB Type-C port. What do you think about this phone? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell button for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.